Hello everyone, my name is Ikram Maulana. I am a student of robotics and AI engineering, Erlangga University, Indonesia. Today, I'm going to be talking about global warming and climate change. And now I will explain you about what climate change and why is it happening. Firstly, I will tell you about the greenhouse effect. The Earth is surrounded by a thin layer of gases we call greenhouse gases. These gases are what make up our atmosphere. Quantum Britannica, the atmosphere, commonly called air, consisting of a mixture of gases. Primarily, molecular is nitrogen, about 78%, and molecular oxygen 21%, and filled any other gases. And this is analogy of the greenhouse effect. You can see some sunlight that hits the earth and reflected. And because the atmosphere contaminated with CO2 gas, the heat has trapped and caused the earth warmer. And this is another example how the atmosphere works at the other planet. Uh, you can see the thickness of the atmosphere and the concentration of its gases influence the surface temperature on any planet. You can see a difference about from Mars, Earth, and Venus. And secondly, I will explain you about what is difference or correlation of global warming and climate change. The global warming is the increase of the Earth's average surface temperature due to a build-up greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. And the climate change is the long-term change in climate, including average temperature and precipitation. It recognizes that although the average surface temperature may increase, the regional or local temperature may decrease or remain constant. And now I will explain what does average mean in the previous page. The average mean in the climate change is the weather condition over time, and the average mean in the global warming refers to an increase in the Earth's temperature. And this map uh, show you the 5-year average variation of the global surface on the Earth. This example is temperature from 1884 until 2012. Dark blues indicates areas cooler than average, and the dark gray indicates are areas warmer than average. And now I will tell you about how global warming works. You can see the carbon dioxide gas. This is this carbon dioxide gas. You can see the fossil fuels like coal, oil, natural gas, etc. can produce residue have the shape of carbon dioxide and can make greenhouse effect. And the heat of the earth are warmer than previous. What proof do we have? You can see this data. This data is temperature and carbon dioxide of the earth. and and this is the result of global warming. The glaciers are melting, so our ice caps on both North and South Pole it melts. You can see this picture. And then global sea level rise. And then the climate change is impacting the plants and animals. And this is my presentation. And lastly say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah.